Today, I'm going to show you a very easy mobile workflow for Qoocam aka Super HDR. The whole process to generate this high quality HDR image will only take 1 to 2 minutes. If you have a Qoocam AK and hate wasting time on photo editing, this is the tutorial for you to get the best looking 360 photo or tiny planet photo for Facebook 360 or Instagram. And if you are lucky, your tiny planet photo might just get picked up by mega Instagram account like your boy right here and gain thousands of likes. Want to get Insta famous? Pick up a Qoocam AK and let's get started. Step 1 is to connect your phone to your camera. Now go here to the Super HDR. If you don't know the differences between Super HDR and regular DNG8 or Express DNG8, check out my first in-depth review and tutorial right here. In short, you should never use Express DNG8 in my opinion. If anything is moving in your 360 scenes, using regular DNG8. If you are shooting a virtual tour, then Super HDR and get everyone out of the scene. So select Super HDR. The camera is smart enough to figure out the correct exposure for you, so you don't need to do anything besides setting your timer. So set your timer, find a spot to hide, and come back in about 1 minute. It takes about 53 seconds. Your hard work now is done. Time to collect the money from your clients.
No pay you! I worked too hard. I want my money.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Let me share with you some shooting tips when capturing in Super HDR. Your phone has to be connected to the Qoocam AK camera at all time. The whole process takes 53 seconds, and if any moment you lost connection, the operation will fail. Most of the time, you still get the 3 bracketed DNG8 file, but you wouldn't have the single merged HDR photo on your phone. So I would suggest hide in close range or just leave your phone on the tripod leg, which will be removed later anyway. After you hear the 3rd shutter sound, you are safe to come out and check your result. If you now go to your phone app album, the HDR photo is right here. For professional, this is when you check your work to make sure you capture everything correctly. Qoocam AK is the only 360 camera that is able to provide the final merge and tone mapped HDR result immediately after capture. This is a huge feature for professional, so you are not shooting blind on set like the Ricoh Theta Z1 right here. Now, let's share your beautiful work on social media. Before we share though, let's make sure you turn off Qoocam watermark and Nadia patch. I saw so many photos on the internet have this free advertisement for Qoocam AK, but you better charge Kendall if you are going to get them free advertisement on your social media. And if your client see this, that wouldn't be good. So go to settings, under app settings, turn off official watermark and Nadia logo. There are many free apps you can use to paint out the tripod leg directly on a mobile phone. If you go back to album, you see the HDR photo already merged and downloaded. It is ready to be shared on your social media. Click that and pick and filter you like. Check this out. Wow! Pretty cool, right? This is how I created that falling out of an airplane tiny planet creative photo. But here we are not using any filter because we don't want to be cheesy. Look at the outside of the window and compare it without HDR. The result is very impressive without any extra works. Again, you can follow this in-depth professional workflow tutorial if you want the max benefit of HDR. I am just going to create a tiny planet photo for the gram. Select the correct ratio, hit projection to turn it into tiny planet, hit the share button and share it on Instagram. You can also download the full 360 photo onto your phone album right here. Open up Lightroom Mobile, pull down the highlights completely and rise the shadow as there's minimum noise. Add extra chromatic aberration removal like so and generate an even better image for Facebook 360. Okay, bonus time. So I cannot find any tutorial on how to remove tripod lag for real 360 photo. Everything I found on the internet is about how to remove tripod lag for that gimmicky tiny planet photos. All of them is about that. So I decided to make a bonus tutorial for you to how to remove tripod lag quick and dirty for real 360 photo and upload that photo on Facebook. So let's do it now. First, make sure you output the SuperHDR photo from Qoocam app. Download the free app from Ricoh Theta called Edit360. Open the SuperHDR photo in Edit360. Now tap down arrow a couple times to pitch your nadir up so you can see your tripod. Save it. Now open the photo in Lightroom Mobile. You know what? No, Lightroom Mobile is not free. Let's use the free app Snapseed from Google. Open that photo in Snapseed. Go to Tool and choose Healing. Now you can use your fingers to pinch in to the tripod. Now just like hitting brush in Photoshop, you can paint out the tripod just as easy as in desktop Photoshop. Now export the photo again, go back to Edit360, open the new photo from Snapseed. Now revert what you just did by pinch the photo down until it is level with your horizon. By the way, this is also how I fix my horizon line and set a new starting point. Edit360 is a powerful app for 360 photos on mobile phone. Now save again, open up Facebook, create a new photo post and upload that 360 photo. Look at that! All the metadata is correct and you got yourself a 360 photo without touching a computer. Also, no tripod lag. Awesome. That's it. Very easy and simple, but really powerful. I would suggest everyone who owns the Qoocam AK to try SuperHDR right now and tag me on Instagram or Facebook 360 to show me your creative works. If you are a virtual tour professional, this workflow does not fix your indoor stitching problem. As you see right here, the mobile phone auto stitch and auto merge does not generate a perfect result. There is a noticeable stitching issue right here. I explain in great detail how to find stitch, fix that, merge, and color grade for professional virtual tour right here. So check out that tutorial right now. I have one more professional editing tutorial coming out with the Ricoh Theta Z1, but the same workflow will also work for Qoocam AK SuperHDR. That will be pretty advanced workflow, so I will save it for the next tutorial. If you are new here, it will help me a lot if you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. We work really hard to give you both consumer and professional tutorial on all your 360 cameras, including Qoocam AK, Ricoh Theta Z1, Insta360 One R, GoPro Max, Insta360 Pro 2, and the Insta360 Titan. Your like and share is greatly appreciated. And I will see you next time. Stay safe.